The next presentation will be held by BIO TTS, and let's listen what they say about themselves. We develop proprietary drug transport technologies and drug formulations in the field of oncology, dermatology, and autoimmune diseases based on unique production technologies, a new approach to the processes of combining substances and knowledge of how human cells communicate with each other. The team of BioTTS technologists has developed, amongst other, proprietary breakthrough technology of obtaining the universal transdermal therapeutic system MTC-Y, which is multifunctional transdermal carrier Y. Thanks to the unique properties of the system, it is possible to increase the bioavailability of active substances several times, allowing the active substances to penetrate the skin barriers up to several centimeters, reaching soft tissues and bones. Ladies and gentlemen, the next presentation will be by BIO TTS.
Hi, my name is Paweł Biernat. I'm CEO and one of the three co-founders of BIOTS. With me is
Karolina Buratyńska. Good morning. I'm General Manager in BIOTS.
Today we will tell you a few words about BIOTS and what we do here in Wrocław in our labs. BIOTS is a pharmaceutical and technological company. We are a small R&D team where we are creating innovative drug carriers which can increase bioavailability of drug substances with in the same time reducing the side effects, and we can use less of the drug substance with the same therapeutical effects. We are preparing and designing our own products. Also, we are preparing formulas, and we are improving formulas for our partners and customers, and we can prepare a product consortia. All these things we are doing with a unique team, with a special team, where are a lot of scientists with university background, technologists and specialists, and very supporting us management team, which part is Karolina?
Thank you, Paweł. Just like I said, my name is Karolina Buratyńska, and here in BIOTS I'm responsible for sales and marketing. But previous 13 years I worked in big pharmaceutical company like Sandoz and Teva, but I was always responsible for sales and marketing like here in BIOTS.
And few words about scientists in our team. I met Jan, Dr. Meller, who is the second co-founder. He was earlier my teacher at the university. Then he became my friend. We saw that we have a lot of the same interests. And after a few years, we started the BIOTS. We became business partners, and I'm very proud to say that he's still my friend and one of the co-founder of BIOTS.
Okay, so let's start from the market because in BIOTS we prepare a special patented transdermal technology because we know that transdermal market growing from year to year, and in the forecast is that in 2024 the worth of the market will be on the level like $82 billion. Just like we said, we prepare a special formulation which is patented and named MTC technology.
This is our main technology. We've prepared a transdermal carrier which can transport through the skin almost any kind of drug substance. One of the biggest and the most important advantage of this carrier is that we can transport almost any kind of drug substance. For today, in every student's book is written that transdermally we can transport only small molecules and lipophilic molecules. With our carriers and in our studies, we confirmed that we can transport through the skin using MTCY large molecules, even 23,000 Daltons big proteins. Also, we've confirmed that we can implement into our carrier and transport through the skin hydrophilic molecules that have never been transported through the skin for today. I think the best way to show you how our carrier works and to show you our technology is the movie. And we think you should see that.
Yeah.
BIOTS is a biotechnology company that creates proprietary, globally innovative technologies for transdermal delivery of medicinal substances, as well as proprietary drug formulas. With over 30 years of experience, the BIOTS research and development team is more than able to solve complex technological problems and create unique innovations. Transdermal systems are a better alternative to traditional methods of drug administration, oral or in the form of injections. They enable the transport of active substances through the skin without breaking it. They do not cause side effects in the digestive system and evenly release medicinal substances for up to 4 weeks. However, the currently used transdermal technologies are still imperfect and, apart from advantages, have many limitations too. These limitations are: they only carry small particles of up to 500 Daltons. They transport only fat-soluble substances. They do not carry water-soluble substances. They do not allow for programming of the API absorption. The patented BIOTS system is the only technology in the world that offers all the benefits of transdermal systems without their limitations. BIOTS is a transdermal revolution on a global scale. The BIOTS transdermal system is able to temporarily soften intercellular deposits, which makes it extremely effective. Our patented solution makes it possible to transfer large particles of up to 25,000 Daltons and to transport substances that are soluble in both water and fats. Moreover, the BIOTS transdermal system enables programming of the API absorption and its release profile, while protecting the protein quaternary structures. Transdermal technology lends itself to the creation of many types of drugs that are more effective than the current solutions. One of them consists of topical medications. The patented BIOTS system ensures that an API reaches the dermis in a precisely defined therapeutic dose. By sequential depolarization of ion channels, it does not enter the bloodstream, which effectively limits undesirable systemic effects. In this way, it is possible to create targeted therapy drugs that not only act locally after just a few minutes, but act longer and more strongly compared to standard solutions. The BIOTS transdermal technology also allows for the creation of more effective, systematically acting drugs. The carrier, if appropriately programmed, can take any type of API into the capillaries and then inside the blood vessels and the blood circulation system. Thanks to the BIOTS system, we can determine the absorption profile of a drug and so enable a less invasive treatment. With the BIOTS technology, you can program precise application of a drug, including deep under the skin. The carrier transports an API through muscles, up to joints and bones, making the action of anti-inflammatory, biological, or antibiotic drugs much more effective. The BIOTS transdermal technology can also be a real game changer in cancer treatment. The company's patented solution promotes an innovative approach to the treatment of pathologically changed tissues. With a BIOTS carrier, drugs can penetrate directly to the tumor by affecting cancer cells through many mechanisms and, at the same time, bypassing the systemic circulation and healthy cells. The BIOTS system can carry drugs that inhibit topoisomerases. It can also transport substances that stabilize the mitotic spindle or carry antimetabolites. The BIOTS transdermal technology is a real breakthrough on a global scale. The BIOTS carrier allows for precise programming of the API transport, making the treatment much more effective. That is why the BIOTS team has the honor and pleasure to invite you to the proof of concept phase. The only thing we need is your active substance. Biotech scientists will take care of the rest and will adapt the Biotech carrier to your specific API, thus creating a new and unique drug. All you have to do to become a co-author of the world revolution on the drug market is choose your business partner wisely. We look forward to working with you. Biotech. We have the right formula.
Okay, as you can see, this transdermal technology allows to transport many substances. The most important advantage is that we are opening and softening the extracellular deposits, and by this route we can transport large molecules and hydrophilic molecules. We've proved also that we have control on this process. We are controlling this process. We've prepared a study with fluorescent markers where we incorporated, for example, fluorescein, rhodamine, and acridine. And we've confirmed that with some modification, we can transport active substance only at the surface of the skin, and it works only topically. With a different modification of our carrier, we can transport the active substance through the skin into the soft tissues, muscles, and for example, with next modification, we've called it deep activity. We can transport active substances, almost any kind of drug, into the blood circulation, and it can work generally. We've confirmed that after half an hour, our drug carrier with active substance is transported to the liver cells, and after next 15 minutes, we've seen the active substance in urine of laboratory animals. It can work almost like injection.
And few words about registration process. Normally, when users think about new drug, the process is 16 years. The process is very expensive because it starts from 500 million billion American dollars. With our technology, we can use a fast track API. This is 505(b)(2), and the process will be very short because from 3 to 6 years, and will be not so expensive because the costs are on the level like 10 million. From 10 to $50 million.
So using our carrier, we can reduce the costs and time of registration process.
That's correct.
Using our carrier, the carrier which we've designed in our laboratory, we can transport through the skin almost any kind of drug substance. Sometimes I think that we have to change the way of thinking about delivering drug substances to human body, because we can use our carrier to transport substances used in dermatology, oncology, gastroenterology, and in many other areas. So it can be implemented in almost any kind of therapy. For today, we have patent application for our main technology, and I'm very proud that it is in PCT procedure, global procedure. Also, we are creating patent cloud with satellite patents covering many other therapeutic areas.
So at this moment, we can say that we have 4 candidates for drugs because these drugs are after preclinical trials, but we are very open for new projects because just like we said, with our patented technology, we can transport through the skin any API which is not bigger than 25,000 Daltons. So we prepare this new projects with clients. And this is proof of concept POC project, and we can, just like I said, prepare with any active substance, right, Paweł?
Yes, and few words about our projects. As Karolina said, we have 4 drug candidates. One of them is the drug candidate which can be used in diabetes type 2. For today, this is our main project. We gain a government and EU grant for that, and we are preparing drug formulation, and we are preparing novel drug carrier and novel drug for patients in diabetes with diabetes type 2. Also, we've confirmed in our laboratories that we can implement into our carrier oncological drugs and substances used in oncological trials.
And my favorite example, because I always like to imagine that I can go to the doctor and this doctor prescribe me antibiotics because it happens. And normally I'm supposed to take 10 days, every 12 hours, a big pill, or I can apply BIOT's patch and forget for 14 days about whole therapy. So that's the difference.
What Karolina wants to say, we can antibiotics, we can prepare drug formula which can deliver antibiotics through the skin after one application of the patch on our skin.
That's correct.
And few words about MTCA4 drug candidate. This is one of our projects which is ready to sell. We've passed all the tests, safety tests. We've confirmed that it's not cytotoxic. We have finished the preclinical trials for MTCA4, which is drug which can be used in anesthesia. This is anesthetic drugs. We use well-known substances to create this drug. We use less than half of the concentration of the drug substance with the same and even better therapeutical effect. We've confirmed that it is safe. We've confirmed the safeness in cooperation with Charles River, which is the best preclinical company in Europe. Also, one of the best prepared drug candidate is MTCU1. MTCU1, this is a prepared drug to increase healing process on human skin. We've prepared this drug to heal deep wounds and also surface wounds. We've confirmed in our laboratories and also on laboratory animals that we can make healing process faster, even 5 days in competition to antibiotics topical therapy.
So a few words about business, about our business models. And first thing, that we are very open to share the business. We already spoke with 200 clients, maybe, because we was on BIO Europe 1 year ago when we met the whole board of AstraZeneca, which is, for example, AstraZeneca, which is responsible for develop new transdermal for new drugs. But our main goal is to sell the license for our technology with different API to different clients. So just like I said before, we have a lot of possibilities because there is a lot of active substance on the market, which is not bigger than 25,000 Daltons and which nobody can transport through the skin until now.
And we are very happy to announce that in this year, we signed 2 agreements and we sell 2 licenses to pharmaceutical companies.
Yeah, that's our success.
We are cooperating with industry. We are cooperating also with universities, and we are using many ways to confirm our theories and confirm our studies. For today, we gain almost 5 million euros. We gain a European grant, and for today we are looking for business partners. We are looking for industry partners to open new products, new projects, to create new products and to create new drugs. So feel comfortable
and free to contact with us.
to contact us, to talk with us, and you're always very welcome here in Poland, in Wrocław.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.